Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Today's video, I really wanted to get out into the woodyard and work with the VersaSplit, but I'm not able to do that with the camera, and the weather the way that it is has not cooperated in the last couple of days. So the radar is not going to let me get into the woodyard today to get some more footage. As you can see, we're going to get rain for quite a while. We're coming off of the Firewood Frenzy. It was 96 degrees on Saturday, but a lot of you still showed up, and we really appreciate everybody that was involved in it, whether it was customers, vendors, employees, or if you were just coming to visit and check out some of the machines. I want to say thank you for coming out and braving the heat with us. We have had a lot of interest in that new VersaSplit, and I have some B-roll from the Frenzy I will put into this video, and in this description I will also have the link to the website for pricing on the first two versions of it. So the first version will be a 1724 and a 2224, and you can guess the naming structure for that is 17 tons and 24 inches of stroke length, and 22 tons and 24 inches of stroke length. If you go with lower tonnage on this splitter, you're going to get a faster cycle time, and if you go with higher tonnage, you're going to get a slower cycle time, but more splitting force. It's really going to vary performance-wise and speed-wise on the output of your machine. Now you can put this on a tractor that has low flow hydraulics, or you can put it on a skid steer that's got high flow. But it's really, if you want to have a fast cycle time and really just want to bust things in half, the 17 ton is a great place to start. I'll throw that B-roll in here now. Yeah, that's a tough one. Yeah! Hey! Back in the factory now, I can see Nick is working on an FC24 firewood conveyor here. He's just installing the trough onto the frame. And over on the other side here, Chase is putting together a whole bunch of fire ring kits. So you can see we've got the smokeless fire ring walls here, and he's putting the threaded inserts in right now. And then these will get packaged for easy shipment anywhere in the United States or Canada. We had a back order situation for the valves that we use on the diesel engine powered machines. But good news, those valves are in, and you can see behind me, we've got a couple of the diesel machines that are getting ready to go out. Both of these are box wedge machines. Got a red one, got an orange one, and what else we got? That one's got the optional aluminum wheels. This one's got the standard steel wheels on it. This is something you don't see very often. This is a black SHO diesel box wedge machine. Again, this is another one that has been waiting for that valve, and Ellis is getting this thing cranked out. Guys, if you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, including pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, event schedule, and more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.